Spoken English Podcast.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Spoken English Podcast. I'm Luna, your host, and I've got James here with me again.
Hey, Luna. It feels awesome to be back. It's always fun chatting with you.
Same here. I always enjoy these conversations. How's your week been?
Pretty good, actually. I started reading an English novel this week, just to practice, you know?
Oh, nice. Which one?
The Alchemist. It's short but inspiring. I understand most of it, except the few fancy words.
That's great though. You're improving every week.
Thanks. And how about you? Busy with books?
Always. Long nights, lots of coffee, and endless takes. But I love it.
You sound like every content creator ever.
Exactly. Speaking of meeting new people, have you ever noticed how introductions can make or break first impressions?
Oh yeah, totally. I met someone new last week and I kind of froze.
Oh no, what happened?
They said, "So, tell me about yourself." And my brain went blank. I just said, I'm James.
Classic moment. But trust me, you're not alone. That happens to so many people.
Yeah, even though I know what to say, I just get nervous.
That's what we're talking about today. How to introduce yourself in English confidently.
Oh, nice. This one's perfect for me then.
I thought you'd like it. But before we begin, if you're listening right now, don't forget to subscribe and comment below where you're tuning in from.
Yeah, we love seeing messages from around the world. It makes us feel connected to you all.
Definitely. All right, let's get into it.
Let's do it. So, Luna, why do people get nervous introducing themselves?
I think it's because they put too much pressure on themselves. They want to sound perfect instead of being natural.
That's true. I always overthink, like, what if my grammar's wrong? Or what if I sound boring?
Yeah, but honestly, no one cares about perfect grammar. People remember your confidence and energy.
That's a relief. So, where do we start?
Start simple. Your name. You can say, "Hi, I'm James," or "My name is James."
Easy enough. Which one sounds better?
"I'm James" is casual and natural. "My name is James" is more formal. Good for interviews.
Got it. So, if I'm meeting new friends, I'll just say, "Hey, I'm James."
Perfect. Keep it short and friendly. Then move to where you're from.
Like, I'm from Seattle?
Exactly. Or if you moved, you can say, "I'm originally from Seattle, but I live in Austin now."
That's smooth. Makes it sound more fluent, too.
Right. It adds flow. Then you can mention what you do, work, study, or hobby.
I'd say I'm learning English and working in tech.
That's great. You sound confident and clear.
What if someone doesn't have a job, though?
Then you can say, "I'm between jobs," or "I'm exploring new opportunities." Still positive, right?
Yeah, that sounds much better than I'm unemployed.
Exactly. It's all about phrasing things with confidence.
I like that. So after name, place, and job, what next?
You can add a personal detail, something small that shows personality.
Like what?
Maybe a hobby or goal. "I love hiking." "I'm a coffee lover," or "I'm learning guitar."
That's fun. I'd say I'm learning English and I love traveling.
That's perfect. It gives people something to connect with.
Yeah, like if they also love traveling, it starts a real conversation.
That's how great conversations begin.
So, Luna, how about we build a complete intro now?
Great idea. You start.
Okay. Hi, I'm James. I'm from Seattle and I work in tech. I love exploring new cities.
Nice. Simple, natural, and confident.
Thanks. Your turn.
Sure. "Hi, I'm Luna." I'm from Chicago, and I work as an English coach. I love helping people speak naturally.
That's smooth. I notice you pause a bit while speaking. Why?
Ah, great observation. Pausing helps you sound calm and confident.
I usually talk fast when I'm nervous.
Everyone does. But when you slow down, you look more in control.
That's interesting. So, silence can be powerful too.
Exactly. A 1-second pause shows confidence.
I'll practice that. Should I record myself?
Definitely. Record your voice and listen to your tone, pauses, and speed.
I might feel weird hearing my own voice, though.
Everyone does. But when you slow down, you look more in control.
We all do at first, but trust me, it's the best way to improve.
Okay, I'll do that. Maybe I'll even send my intro to you for feedback.
Sure. And hey, listeners, you can do the same. Record your introduction today.
Practice it for just 2 minutes daily. You'll sound smoother in a week.
That's not bad. Only 2 minutes?
Yep. Consistency beats perfection every time.
I like that line. Consistency beats perfection.
You can quote me on that.
So, Luna, what are some mistakes learners make when introducing themselves?
Good question. The biggest mistake is speaking too fast or giving too much detail.
Yeah. I once started telling my life story in an interview.
Oh no! Keep it short. Around 4 lines is perfect.
Okay, so name, place, job, and one hobby.
Perfect. And end with a smile.
Easy enough.
Also, don't forget your tone. Confidence isn't just words, it's how you sound.
True. Even hi can sound different based on tone.
Exactly. Try saying, "Hi, I'm James," with a smile. It changes everything.
Yeah, it instantly feels friendly.
See? That's confidence in action.
I think people will love practicing this.
For sure. And if you're listening, tell us your version in the comments.
Yeah, type your introduction below. We might read it in our next podcast.
Yes, we'd love that. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet.
Right. New episodes every week full of easy, natural English tips.
Before we wrap up, let's review quickly. Step 1, name. Step 2, where you're from. Step 3, what you do. Step 4, one personal detail.
And step 5, smile, pause, and relax.
You nailed it!
Thanks. I feel way more confident about introductions now.
That's awesome, James. And that's what this podcast is all about, helping you speak naturally.
It really works. Feels like I'm chatting with a friend, not studying.
That's the magic, learning without pressure.
You know, Luna, this topic was perfect for me today.
I knew it would be.
Thanks again. And to everyone listening, practice your intro today. Don't wait.
Yes, just start, even if it's short. You'll get better every time you try.
Step by step, right?
Always. And remember, your voice matters.
I love that line. So true.
Thank you. And before we go, one last reminder, guys. If you enjoyed this podcast, subscribe to the Spoken English podcast and leave a comment below.
Tell us how you introduce yourself in English. We'd love to hear your version.
Definitely. Maybe we'll read some of them in the next podcast.
That would be fun.
All right, everyone. That's all for today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking confidently.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye for now. And remember, confidence grows every time you speak.